finger off the trigger. Grab a mag, this one. Smack it up, pull back and let go. No, this thumb over here with this thumb. This thumb up, this thumb, good. Right target, all 3 dots in a row, slow pull, go ahead. I want to see more of that. Over here. Push that button. That one. There you go. Smack it up.
We're all clear. I'll reload it.
Last 5. Nice shooting. Excellent.